Hello, my name is Sarah Lobegeiger de Rodriguez and I'm the Chief Speech Pathologist at Voice Science, Melbourne's premier accent reduction, voice, stuttering, elocution and communication consultancy located on Collins Street in the Melbourne CBD. Today I want to share a quick tip. This tip will really empower your pronunciation of really important grammar markers. So what is a grammar marker? A grammar marker is basically an addition that we'd add to a word that ensures that our listener receives the grammar features or the tense of the given word. So the grammar marker I want to work on today is very specific and very precise, and I think many of you who are looking at improving your English speaking and pronunciation might find this tip helpful. So we're dealing with simple past tense, and for this marker we need to add the letter ED when we write it, but when we pronounce it we're doing many different things. So let's zoom right in to one instance and one precise sound combo we have to achieve to convey our grammatical intent correctly. The target is words, or verbs I should say, that end with sh, like wash, crash, bash, and so on. Now, when we put the past tense with the ED, because these verbs are regular, we need to add washed. Now, this can be really hard to achieve because sh is a fricative, which means the sound needs to be long and sustained with airflow and pressure. And t is a plosive, which means the sound needs to be released precisely, promptly, with sufficient air pressure. So we have the combination of a long sound, sh, followed by the immediate insertion of a short sound, t. Let's try it together. Sh, t, sh, t, wash, t, crash, t, bash, t. Running out of ideas. Any word that ends with sh, that is a verb that follows a regular tense form, will require this combination. So this was just a very quick drill to outline a few ideas to incorporate past tense accurately. It's so essential that the past tense markers come across. If you drop them off, listeners could mistake you for not understanding grammar. I know that you'd be inclined to write ED as required to show the past tense, but if the pronunciation precision deteriorates on the combination of sh, t, the listener will receive the incorrect tense and the grammar error can really stand out. So what I recommend is look out for verbs that end in sh. Make sure that you've got the precision and speed to combine sh, to show your past tense. That's it for now. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up below. Feel free to share it. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful. My name is Sarah Lobegeiger de Rodriguez, Chief Speech Pathologist at Voice Science. We work with internationals to advocate for communication precision, confidence and assertiveness. If you've got any questions about our services, be sure to head to our website. There you can check out our diagnostic accent and communication assessment, the first step to tightening up your pronunciation precision and communication accuracy for English. Have a great day. Ciao.